Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a Shopify notification email or how you can edit them. So let's get right into it. Now, from your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into settings. Once you're here, this menu will pop up and you're going to want to go into notifications. Here, you'll have the option to choose whether you want customer notifications, staff notifications, fulfillment request notifications, and you have webhooks, but I'm pretty sure that is irrelevant to you. Now, for example, let's choose customer notifications. If I scroll down, or if you scroll down, you'll have the option to install a Shopify email, which I do recommend you do. As you can see, I already installed it, so nothing is showing up. But from here, what you're going to want to do is click on whichever notification you would like. So for example, order confirmation. As you can see, you'll have the preview over here, and I'm pretty sure this preview has been changed a bit by the app that I've installed, but as you can see, you can preview it here and you'll be able to edit the code just like so. And as you can see, before you can edit it, you need to review and verify your sender email. So I do not have it verified, so I cannot edit it, but as you can see, here is the HTML code of that response, and that is pretty much what you need to edit. Now if I go into email just like this, you'll see that it opens up this app, which I do recommend you install, and you can create an automation or create a campaign, as well as go to templates or go to settings and create new templates and, well, see your settings, as well as check if your email is verified. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.